Hi YouTube, this is Mike, also known as the Wizard of Odds, and in this video we're going to be learning how to play Vinci Diamonds Keno. It is based on regular Keno, but it adds paintings to the field of numbers. And you can see that the paintings cover 4 numbers each in a 2x2 square, and they cannot overlap with one of your picks. And real briefly, if any painting is hit at least 3 times, then the player is either going to win a multiplier or trigger the bonus. And I will explain more about that as we play, but for now let's just get started and play. And you can see that I picked 10 numbers here, and according to the pay table on the right, I need to hit at least 4 of them to win anything. Okay, so there I did hit 4 for a win of 1. And I did not win any multipliers because no painting was hit 3 times. In this game, I hit only 3 numbers, so I didn't win anything, but I did get a multiplier. The painting on the right was hit exactly 3 times, and you can tell because when a number hits the painting, then that panel of the painting becomes illuminated. So the painting on the left was hit with the numbers 43, 44, and 53, but not 54. So in this game I won 0 times 2, which still equals 0. So another win of 1 there, no multiplier. In that game I hit 5 numbers for a win of 3, but unfortunately no multiplier. There's a nice win. I hit 7 out of my 10 picks for a win of 33, but no multiplier. Had one of the balls hit 26 or 36, then I would have won, I would have earned a 2x multiplier for a win of 66. There is a win of 6 for hitting 6 numbers, but no multiplier. There is a nice win for hitting 8 out of 10 of my picks for a win of 155, and keep in mind I'm just betting 1 credit. However, as usual, no multiplier. There would have been one. I just needed 1 more panel on the right painting on either, let's see, 47 or 48. So let's keep trying. Okay, we finally got a multiplier that multiplied something, and you can be fortunate. You don't know how much footage I'm going to edit out of this video where nothing of interest happened. Okay, but what did happen here, I hit 4 numbers, and on the painting on the right, I hit 3 panels. So that entitles me to a multiplier of 2. Normally, catching 4 out of 10 pays 1, but you multiply that by 2, so I win 2. That was a lot of work for a win of 2, but it is what it is. And you might be asking, what if I hit 3 panels on more than one painting? Well, that would be a good question. If you hit 3 out of 4 on 2 paintings, then you would win a multiplier of 4x, and in the unlikely event that you hit 3 out of 4 on all 3 paintings, then you would win a multiplier of 6x. So now enough about the multipliers. What happens if you entirely cover a painting, hitting all 4 panels? Then you would trigger the bonus, and I will talk more about that next. Next, let's go through an example of the bonus. The first thing to explain is how to trigger the bonus. That is triggered by entirely covering at least one painting. And in this case, I placed a painting in the upper right corner, and all 4 panels of it were hit. Therefore, that triggers the bonus. The bonus consists of free spins, and the number of free spins that you get is equal to the product of the number of paintings entirely covered, which is usually going to be 1, and the number of panels that were hit between all 3 paintings. So if you count the panels hit, and again, you know that a panel was hit if it is illuminated. So you can see 8 illuminated panels, therefore I win 1 times 8 equals 8 free spins. And by the way, you can re-trigger the bonus in exactly the same manner. Now, what is special about free spins, you may ask? They play just like regular spins, except whenever a panel of a painting is hit, you win 2 extra balls. And the game will illustrate these extra balls in the form of gems. The gems can be different colors. The colors don't matter. And if a extra ball hits a painting, then you will get more extra balls for that, and that process will keep going until you until you stop hitting the paintings, in which case then the game will score whatever you won in the same manner as an initial spin. So let's play this bonus. Okay. No. Pause. Okay, so this is what happened after the initial 20 ball draw, and between the 3 paintings they were hit 5 times, so I'm going to get 10 extra balls. So those 10 extra balls hit the paintings 3 more times, so I'm going to get 2 times 3 equals 6 more extra balls. Okay, so that draw did not re-hit the paintings again, so the game can score whatever happened. So what did happen? Okay, first of all, of my 10 picks, I caught 6 of them. Catching 6 pays 6, as you can see in the panel on the right side, and the painting at the bottom was entirely hit, and that re-triggers the bonus. And the way the game works is that it's just going to add more free spins to the total. So 1 painting was hit, again 8 total panels were hit, therefore I am going to re-trigger 1 times 8 equals 8 more free spins for a total of 16. So here is free game number 2. Here come the extra balls, and here come 2 more extra balls, and here come 2 more extra balls. Okay, so that previous game I caught 4 for a win of 1. And here comes some more extra balls. And 2 more. Okay, so here I did get a multiplier for hitting the bottom right painting 3 times, but I only caught one number, which pays 0. Therefore, my win on that free game is 2 times 0, which equals 0. And here comes 6 extra balls. Okay, so what happened here? First of all, I caught 4 numbers for a base win of 1, and I hit the lower painting 3 times for a 2x multiplier. Therefore, my win is 2 times 1 equals 2. Here come 10 extra balls, and here come four more, and here come 2 more. Okay, what happened here? First of all, I caught 5 for a win of 3, and the painting in the middle bottom was entirely hit to re-trigger the bonus again. So that's the second re-trigger. How many extra free spins do I get? Well, I entirely covered 1 painting, and if you count the illuminated panels, you will see that 8 were hit. Therefore, I get 1 times 8 equals another 8 free spins for a total of 24. And it's just a coincidence that I keep getting 8. Okay, what happened here? I caught 5 numbers for a win of 3 and no multiplier. So here come, I think, 8 extra balls. And here come 2 more. Okay, so here I caught 5 for a win of 3 and no multiplier. And here come, I believe, 10 extra balls. And here come 4 more. Okay, no win there. 2 more. And another 2 more. So no win there. Two more. Another 2 more. No win that time. Here come 6 more. Here come another 4 more. And no win there. Here come 4 extra balls. And 2 more. Excuse me, 4 more. 2 more this time. And another 2 more. And I only caught 1 number for a win of 0. Here come 8 extra balls. And here come 6 more. Here come 6 extra balls. Here comes 6 extra. Okay, what happened here? Let me go back just a little. So on that game, I caught 5 numbers for a win of 3 and no multiplier. And by the way, when I keep saying no multiplier, you always get a multiplier of 1. So I really mean a multiplier of 1. Here come 2 more. All right. Here is a catch of 7. So catching 7 pays 33, but no multiplier. And here come 8 extra balls. And here come two more. So there the previous game, I caught 4 for a win of 1. Here come 8 more. And 2 more. Okay, so here I caught 6 for a win of 6. Two extra balls. Two extra balls. Okay, so here I caught 6 for a win of 6. And that's it. That was my last of my 24 free spins. My total win, as you can see here, was 68. There you go. That is my example of a bonus game. Next, what I want to do is I just want to show you the rule screens, and feel free to pause on them if you wish. And after I go through those, I am going to show you some resources I have at my website about Vinci Diamonds Keno. We are now at my website, wizardofodds.com, and this is my page on Vinci Diamonds Keno. So as usual, I start a page by explaining the rules, and then I go through an example, both of a regular spin and a free spin, and then I go through my analysis of the game. I won't spend too much time on this, but this goes through how I calculated the return of the game, and it was done partially with pure math and partially with a random simulation of billions of games. And I carefully go through the pay tables that you see at videopoker.com, which are very liberal. And let's just look at the pick 5, for example. This shows all the possible wins in a base game, picking 5, including getting the multiplier. And remember, you can get 2, 4, and 6x multipliers for a number of different possible wins. And this shows that the value of the base game, in this case, of the pick 5 is about 55.4%. And then the value of the bonus is 39.6% in the case of a pick 5, for a total return of 95.06%. And the pay tables are carefully chosen to get to a return of 95%. And I really want to emphasize that this is with the pay table that you see at videopoker.com. With any Keno game or video poker game, the pay tables are configurable, so the slot machine manager can choose how stingy or liberal his games pay. And I also indicate that the bonus probability is 0.92%, and in this case the average bonus win is 43.1, the median win is 8, and the most frequent win is 0. And I go through this for all number of picks from 2 to 10. And then, and here is a summary of the videopoker.com pay table. It shows in this column here on the right, shows the total return you can expect according to the number of picks. So let's see what's the highest. It looks like the pick 3 at 95.59%. And then I also noticed a different, stingier pay table at the Resorts World. I indicate the pay table here, and I analyze that, and you can see that that pay table tends to pay close to 90% for picking 3 through 10, and less for picking 2 and 3. So feel free to go to my website to read all about that more carefully. So I think that's all I have to say about Vinci Diamonds Keno. Thanks for watching this video, YouTube. Thank you for making it to the end. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Better yet, please subscribe to my channel where I have lots of videos about gambling, all kinds of different games. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye.